Hills Creek Reservoir. We spent the entire day driving down to Oregon, and now we're here, and it's great. We did a work thing, which was really fun, and now we're dispersed camping in this epic area. I don't feel like filming, I don't feel like doing anything, and I just want to go to bed.
She's had a huge day. It makes sense. She deserves to go to bed. Everyone. She's driven like 4 hours. Well, you probably drove 3 hours today, and
yeah,
you know, had a big morning of packing. So there's like tons of reasons. There we go.
Good night, you guys.
Better get going before the bear comes.
We better go.
Or Bigfoot.
Oh my god. All right, let's do this thing. Sketch. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can go back up again, just to make sure we can get out of here. And this is the moment I realized we should probably keep looking for another campsite. I need new tires, number one, and definitely need like a way to communicate with the outside world. We had no cell service, and I did not want it to rain. I didn't check the weather and realized I was in no position to get myself stuck. So we opted for a spot that we found on the road. It was epic. We got there pretty late at night, so we couldn't see anything through the camera, but we had a great fire and woke up to some pretty amazing views.
All right, this is our forest road. We went and did our drone shoot yesterday near Oak Ridge, Oregon. Hills Creek Reservoir. Pulled up to a really nice spot at the river here. That's where we slept last night.
Another thing to note about Hills Creek Reservoir specifically is that there were so many options for dispersed camping that it made it really easy to choose. There were also a bunch of other families out there. It didn't feel overcrowded, but it definitely felt comforting to see some other people doing the same thing. Packing the car up when you live and work out of it as two people always takes longer than I think it's going to. In total, we need a solid 45 minutes to keep things organized and clean. I 100% recommend Hills Creek Reservoir if you're new to dispersed camping and want to dip your toes in, or if you're simply looking for some free camping in Central Oregon.